And now I'm going to test the motor. Okay. And match this foot pedal. So I'm just kind of showing you how this sounds. It hasn't been serviced, but it still sounds pretty good though. Okay. Now take a look at this. Sometimes when I get these old singers or old machines, sometimes the way they were kind of positioned in a case and the cord is kind of, the cord is, and the machine is matching on the machine. Now, this is what this reminds me of with this cord. It doesn't actually have a cut in it, but to me it's like a little nick, and I bet it was sitting in something and the machine was pressing on it. I'm kind of a stickler about stuff like that. I don't like stuff like that because I want people to take better care of their machines and stuff, but this is a little nick right here, and I can tell the machine probably was sitting on it at some point. It doesn't affect the operation, as you can see, but I still want to kind of zoom in on that. Okay.